Let's take a look at how you can track all your sent rewards emails in goLoyalty. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From the Rewards page, go to the Analytics section. Under Analytics, you'll find the Emails Sent list. This shows all rewards emails sent by goLoyalty. The first column shows the date sent, sorted by the most recent first. You can click the arrow to switch the order from oldest to newest. Next, you'll see the customer name and customer email. The email type column shows whether the message was a monthly email or an order confirmation email. Finally, the customer viewed column shows if the email was opened. A blue eye icon means the email was opened, while a gray eye icon means it hasn't been opened yet. You can also hover over each icon for a quick tooltip that confirms if the email was opened or not. At the top right, you can search by customer name or email. At the bottom, you can adjust the number of rows displayed per page and use the arrows to move between pages. And that's how you trap your sent rewards emails in goLoyalty. Got questions? You can always click Get Help at the top right. Epic's got you covered.